Hello and welcome. Let us know on how to use Pandas. The good news is that after installation of Anaconda, we now have Pandas and most of the commonly used libraries in business intelligence and data analysis. The importation process of Pandas into our Jupyter Notebook is straightforward. We use the terms import Pandas SPD. This structure is used to specify how the imported library will appear. Let us add a new, sorry about that. Let us add a new cell here, and let's see that Pandas. Now with PD, we can access all the libraries, all the functions in the Pandas library.